15. The relevant portion is, my lord, page 18. Relevant portion is page 18, type copy. The allegation is, my lord, under section 324, criminal trespass and house trespass, and voluntarily causing grievous hurt, and my lord, attempt to murder, my lord. The FIR was totally, my lord, fabricated, my lord, false, my lord. The actual fact is, my lord, I have stated in my petition, para number 5, my lord.
Applied for bail in another court?
Yes, my lord, I have already applied, my lord. Earlier, it was withdrawn.
Let us read the order, rejection order.
Yes, my lord. My lord, can you see annexure 5, my lord, page 35. The instant case is registered under section so and so, basis on the basis of the petition filed by the petitioner June Bora in connection with Satya PS so and so, pays the case diary along with the medical report for the victim heard both sides, considering the materials in the case diary. I am not inclined to allow the anticipated bail to the accused at this stage, and the same is rejected.
Charge has been submitted.
Charge is not submitted, madam.
The medical report is there. Let us go
No,
to the
medic-
FIR.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, kindly see my see my
Yes,
lord.
in the medical report.
Hey, actually, my lord, it is not revealed in the order, my lord.
It's okay.
The only materials are
It's
available. My
okay.
lord,
I'm not going,
I-
I'm not sitting against appeal. You can read the FIR.
yes, my lord. My lord, type copy, my lord. I'm reading, my lord. With due respect, I would like to inform you that being the wife of Sri Dilip Hazarika, resident of so and so, filed this Azahar as mentioned below. On 6/9/2025, at around 7:30 p.m., Sri June Bora, son of late Rama Bora, resident of Malargaon, Sotia, who is serving in Assam Police and currently posted at Vishwanath Police Station, planned and deliberately entered my house without permission. At that time, my husband, Sri Dilip Hazarika, was alone at the house, and the said accused person brutally attacked my husband. The attack was so vicious, and so he sustained severe injury on his eyes, chest, head, and on various parts of his body. The medical report attached with this FIR proves the various injuries sustained by my husband. At the time of the incident, I was away from my home as I had gone to my sister's residence, Kumargaon, Tezpur. In spite of being grievously injured, bleeding profusely, he somehow managed to inform about the incident to Sri Mintu Ali, who is a mason working in our house, and another close associate of our family, Megho, and another person, Tawfiq Ali. After receiving the phone calls, all of them, along with a few more persons, they immediately rushed to our house. They saw my husband lying in a pool of blood in a critical condition, and immediately.
Okay.
My lord, kindly see that my cross FIR was a file in this case, my lord, and kindly see the page 5, para 5. What actually happened actually? What incident actually happened, my lord? My lord, may I read, my lord?
Yes.
Kindly see page
Yes.
5, para 5 in my petition, my lord.
Yes.
That the petitioner begs to state that on alleged that in the evening, petitioner was bringing his cow from the field. At that time, without any reason, the informant's husband obstructed the petitioner in front of the pathway of his house. The informant's husband had a knife in his hand. The present petitioner requested him several times to move aside and let the petitioner go, but the informant's husband did not relent. And when the petitioner attempted to chase his cow aggressively, it got startled and started to run. The informant's husband got entangled with the tether of the cow and fell into the ditch and got injured, my lord. This is the actual fact, my lord. My lord, the allegation mentioned in the FIR.
I have dealt with this case.
Yes, my lord. Earlier, I filed it was withdrawn, my lord, due to I did not approach earlier.
Okay.
Before that is why again
You want interim bail?
no.
Well, today is the motion stage.
Today motion is still, my lord.
Motion
So I-
maybe call for my
My lord, I am a government employee, my lord.
CD along with, if he's asking.
along with the
bail.
my lord injury report, because my lord in the vernacular, my lord, that is the all the description is there regarding his injury part, and the date of incident is, my lord, that is the 6/9/2025 7:30, PM, my lord. And my lord, only the vernacular part, my lord, I am just reading it out, lordship. The উল্লেখযোগ্য যে it is in page 23, উল্লেখযোগ্য যে অভিযুক্ত আৰু আমাৰ পৰিয়ালৰ মাজত দীৰ্ঘদিন ধৰি ভূমি বিবাদ চলি আহিছে আৰু সেই আখেজতে অভিযুক্তই তেখেত পুলিচ পদবীৰ সুবিধা গ্ৰহণ কৰি এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ জঘন্য অপৰাধ কৰিছে। উক্ত অপৰাধটো অভিযুক্তই পৰিকল্পিতভাৱে অপৰাধমূলক মানসিকতাত মোৰ স্বামীক আক্ৰমণ কৰে। মিন্টু আলী নামৰ মানুহজনে মোৰ স্বামী তেজেৰে লুতুৰি পুতুৰি হৈ থকা দৃশ্যটো কেমেৰাত বন্দী কৰি ৰাখিছে, যিটো এটা পেন ড্ৰাইভৰ জৰিয়তে এই এজাহাৰৰ লগত গাঁঠি দিলো। And because he was, my lord, admitted to first in a one hospital, then thereafter to Tezpur, and that is the wife of the, my lord, that is the victim was not present, who is the informant in the case, my lord. That is also stated যে আৰু মই সেই কাৰণে চিকিৎসালয়ৰ ওচৰত থকা তেজপুৰ সদৰ থানাত অৱগত কৰিছিলো। GD number is there 79/2025. So at this stage, my lord, it
Very
may be
short
called for,
statement,
my
call
lord.
for the
Short
study.
date, my
My lord, in the affair, the informant said that nobody was there. And
Yes, my lord.
later on, it
Those
was said
persons-
that that person was there and he.
I'll give you a very short date.
My lord, he is a government employee, police constable, my lord, kindly allow me. At this interim protection may be granted.
Short date, very short date,
Interim protection may be granted.
very short date. Only that medical report is already there, so we'll. get
Medical
it.
report, my lord,
Very short date.
my lord, he is a
Test-
government employee. If
Yeah.
he is arrested, my lord, he will lose his job, my lord. He is the
No,
sole
he
earning
won't
member.
lose his job. He will get suspended, he won't lose his job.
My lord, considering the government employee, my lord, he is
He
a
will be
government.
reinstated and he will get promoted also. Don't worry. It happens when you are given the
No,
clean.
my lord, the allegation is totally false, my
No,
lord.
if you are given clean sheet later on, your departmental proceeding and prove.
No, my lord, the allegation is totally false.
No, what I'm saying is that
Yes.
you are saying that he'll lose his job, he
Yes.
won't lose his job. What
And
happens is that if he's given clean sheet to this case, criminal case, and he was given clean sheet to departmental proceedings,
Yes, my lord.
then he gets reinstated. And I have seen getting promotion also. And not promotion with benefits.
So, my lord,
So I will call, I'm giving you a short.
if there may be call for money, in time I may be protected by
I'll
lord.
just check the injuries. He's booked under 109. I'll
If
just
injuries are
check.
there, my lord, definitely my petition will be
If the
rejected.
injuries are not on his vital part of his body and if it is simple, then I'll grant you a free arrest bail.
Okay, okay,
Only let me go for the injury report.
okay.
Call for the CD, list the, call for the CD along with the medical
Medical.
legal report, list the matter of. Stress for at least 10 days লাগিব। দি দিয়া 8-10 days of ভিতৰত দি দিয়া। 19
Obliged, highly obliged.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Mm.
My lord,
You have
where-
the CD?
My lord, item 2, my lord, we get a communication. As for the communication, my lord, search it submitted, my lord.
where-
This matter.
we are on interim protection, lordship.
Okay.
Interim may be extended for another 15 days.
Okay.
In the meantime, we will appear, lordship.
Learned Counsel Mr. I. Hussain.
Lord, am I Hussain, lordship?
M. I. Hussain is present for the petitioner. Learned Additional PP Mr. G. Boshak
Sir.
has submitted that charge sheet has been laid against the petitioner being CS number.
My lord, my lord, the communication as because we received, my lord, maybe made it a part of record, my lord.
Being CS number 40/2025 dated 28/6/2025. The communication received by the learned additional PP will be a part of this record. Learned Counsel, Mr. Anuddin is present for respondent number 2. The petitioner is at liberty to, or the petitioner is at liberty. The petitioner is directed to approach the jurisdictional court stroke Ereka magistrate within 15 days and apply for bail, which may be considered by the court in accordance with law. Meanwhile, no coercive, no
The interim order shall be enforced.
coercive measures to be taken. Yes,
And
no coercive
in-
measures.
In
to
the
be taken.
interim order shall
That
be
is,
enforced.
that is there, that is included, implied.
Obliged.
My lord, only one prayer, my lord, that is, my lord, a communication received by the Office of the Public Prosecutor.
By the office of the public
Office of the
prosecutor, not additional public prosecutor, by the office of the public.
Public. Obliged.
Deeply obliged, lordship.
Item 3.
Additional lordship has already heard, lordship,
Yeah.
regarding my lord, whether bail application.
That day I have heard you,
Yes.
that same matter. You have the affidavit here.
No. not that matter হচ্ছে।
Okay,
This is my lord, recurring my lord, approaching before the learned
okay.
session course. Put a diet like that. In fact, my lord, today in the honorable Apex Court, my lord, in this issue, lordship, notice was issued
Hmm.
regarding on this issue, lordship.
You want me to proceed with this matter? Dispose this matter?
Yes, lordship.
Okay. Our learned counsel, Mr. D. Gugar, for the petitioner. 1 and 2, who have filed this application under section. You want to say something on this?
My lord, here, my lord, that is the petitioner number 1 is a accused number 4 and a petitioner number 2 is a accused number 3 of the, my lord, FIR, my lord.
Mm.
The FIR dated is 7/5/2025, my lord.
Mm.
And my lord, that is earlier, my lord, it was disposed of on 24/6/2025, my lord. That order is also, my lord, annexed at page 38, my lord. The incident dated, my lord, 5/5/25, and the CS has already filed on, my lord, 23/6/2025 under section 126 to 351 to 125A, 107 to 9, my lord. Here, my lord,
BNS.
yes, my lord, all are BNS, my lord. And my lord, 8 numbers of PGWs are there. Injury is grievous, my lord.
Mm.
And my lord, here, my lord, NBWA is issued against them, my lord,
Mm.
by the court, my lord. That is, now that is continuing, and my lord, there is the available record is up to, my lord, 7/10/20. Otherwise, my lord, materials are there, my lord.
Lordship, my lord, in the searching, my lord, we are shown as scoundrel, lordship.
Mm.
After very fast day, my lord, learned my lord, SDJ, lordship, issued an NBW, which cannot, lordship. Thereafter, we approached this honorable court, my lord. The NBW was recalled, lordship. At
Mm.
page number, my lord, 44.
Mm.
We are directed to appear. Page number 44, the NBW was recalled, lordship. Where, my lord, we are directed to avail, my lord, put in, my lord, SDGM, learned SDGM, lordship. But, my lord, the offense is tribal, tribal by the, my lord, learned code of son, lordship. Therefore, we could not appear there, lordship.
It is still before the committal court, my lord.
It's still, my lord.
Because, my lord,
Yeah,
NBWA is
because,
by
my
the
lord, we
committal
are
court.
ready, my lord, the trial, lordship.
Injury is grievous, my lord, otherwise.
You, who was given 15 days to,
Yes,
you were
okay.
given,
My lord, at page number 44, my lord.
you were given 15 days to
Yes,
appear.
lordship.
But why didn't you appear?
Well, we could not appear because, my lord, since, my lord, offense is tribal by the, my lord, court of session, lordship. Therefore, my lord, we again approach this honorable court. For granting bail. In the criminal petition, we could not pay for a bail, lordship.
My lord, here, my lord, in the order, my lord, this passed by your lordship, my lord, that is categorically stated in para 9, my lord. The, my lord, at that point of time also, it is before the committal court, on their appearance before the court of learned subdivisional judicial magistrate,
Mm.
my lord. Titabor, the petitioner may pray for relief on which day otherwise entitled, so advised, page
Page-
46, my lord,
46.
page 46, my lord, the last para.
Because we could not appear because, my lord.
Because,
the
my lord,
offense is, my lord,
after
tribal
having
by-
this direction, they didn't appear, my lord.
Before that, my lord, we had approached this honorable court by filing this appeal.
petitioner का नाम कितना लिखी दिया हाँ तो file this application under section 4 ECC of the B and WS 2023 with bail for period arrest bail as the apprehending arrest in connection with PRC case number 156/2025 arising out of Titabar PS case number 65 of 2025 under sections 126(2), 281, 125A, 117, 109, 351 to 3 within bracket 5 of the BNS single S 2023. The allegation against the petitioners is that where is the FIR?
The FIR date, the translated copy is page 19, my lord. Otherwise,
Number 19.
here in our here, my lord, that is not legible, but I have flag mark, my lord, in the record also, my lord. Allegation is very severe, my lord. He is brutally beaten, my lord.
The FIR and false liquor, the allegation against the petitioners nalage. Ananda Dutta and Diganta Dutta, no?
Yes, my lord. Ananta Datta and Diganta Datta. Ananta Datta was
Is that
murdered.
on 5/5/2025, while Tapan Datta was on his way back home, comma, he was waylaid by some miscreants who tried to attack and kill him near Dharmesha Sokia's rice mill, full stop. The miscreants ordered to get him to get off from his car. And at that time, one person riding the bicycle hit him on his leg and he fell down on the road, and the others attacked him with iron rod and bamboo sticks. Full stop. He became unconscious. And the neighboring people came to his rescue, and he was shifted to Titapur Civil Hospital, and thereafter he was referred to JMCH for better treatment as he was gravely injured. Full stop. He has named the miscreants in the FIR as Prafula Datta. No, he has named the petitioners as the petitioners as two of the miscreants out of the 6 who had attacked him on the night. Which time? On the fateful night. The learned additional chief Mr. G. Rickshaw.
K. Bushka, my lord. K. Bushka, my lord.
Bushka has raised serious objection, stating that there are incriminating materials and charge has been laid against the petitioners as a prima facie case has been found against the petitioners. Full stop.
Complaint statement is, my lord, I have flag mark, my lord. Along the other parts also, I have flag mark, my lord, up to the last order. my lord. Some horizontal flag marks are also there, my lord.
I have also scrutinized the scanned copies of the trial court records.
In the record, my lord, there are some three, my lord, that is the pre-arrest bail order is also there. Passed by the, my lord, there is the learned session just, additional session just. Regarding one Prafulla Datta and another one, my lord, that is the
I'm checking
Haisanu
the
and
medical
Jit-
report.
medical report, my lord, that report is not, my lord, I think that is available with that, my lord. But my lord, his statement is there and there is the IOS, my lord, in the, that is one, my lord, that is the entry is there, my lord. So where it is the grievous that is stated, my lord. Blunt force, using blunt force and grievous, that part is there, my lord. About dilemma about site like that, thank you.
Bail order Prafulla Datta.
Prafulla Datta, but in those cases, my lord, at that point of time, my lord, that is the, because, my lord, that from the side of the prosecution, no objection was, my lord, made. That is clearly stated, my lord. And one is, my lord, that is the, my lord, CLC, my lord. CCL, my lord.
The learned additional PP has also submitted that it has been observed by the Honorable Supreme Court in Jagdev Prasad versus Prasad and others versus the state of Bihar and others in criminal appeal in SLP, criminal appeal, SLP criminal number 17805 of 2024 that high courts should always encourage an alternative stroke concurrent remedy before directly interfering itself. As this approach balances the interests of all stakeholders, first by giving the every party a round of challenge before the High Court. First up, it was further observed that secondly, this approach provides the High Court an opportunity to assess the judicial perspective so applied by the Sessions Court in concurrent jurisdiction of granting respective bail, instead of independently apply its mind from the first go, full stop. Against this submission of the learned additional PP, it has been submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner. That it has been observed by the Honorable Supreme Court in a subsequent special SLP criminal number 6588 stroke 2025 dated 8/9/2025 আগৰটো তুমি এই ডেটটো লিখি দিবা হা আগৰ এটা দিছিলো যে আগৰ ডেটটো হয় 17/9/2025 এইটো 8/9 টো পাছৰহে হ'ব subsequent নহয় এইটো পাছৰ হ'ব
But this case is not still pending also. This case is still pending also.
Yes, earlier, subsequent earlier. In an earlier. আগৰটো লিখি দিবা 17/9/2025 লিখি দিবা আগৰ SLP in an earlier that ইয়াতে ৰাখি দিয়া আছে পেৰা 9 টো টিক মাৰ্ক কৰি দিছো পেৰা 9 টো ভৰাই দিবা it is submitted that this appear 9 or 10 likhi di. It is submitted that this matter ito agote naam kita diya nai no is in an earlier to special parties naam kita likhi diya Mohammed in a special criminal leave application in likhi diba in likhiba tar bisothe number likhi da Mohammed Russell C and another versus State of Kerala in numbered as 6588 of 2025 he number likhi diba. Pair 9 or 10 likhi diba. So it is submitted that this matter is still pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. Full stop. This court has relied on the decision of both the matters. Observation of both the matters. I SLP criminal number 1785 of 2024. 1785 no 17805. And another matter, as well as the present SLP number, as well as the present, as well as the SLP number 6588 of 2025, full stop. The merits of this case is also taken into consideration, full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that as this matter is still pending before the Honorable Supreme Court, comma, there is no bar for this High Court to decide the bail petition, full stop. I have also considered the fact that by the order dated 16/9/2025 in criminal petition number 1143 of 2025, despite being directed by this court to appear before the learned committal court within 15 days and apply for bail, the petitioners have failed in appearance and complying the direction of this court. After scrutinizing the trial court records and after scrutinizing the trial court records, and then after scrutinizing the trial court records, the learned additional PP has submitted that there are incriminating materials in the case diary which resulted in the submission of charge sheet. Full stop. After scrutinizing the trial court records, this court is hesitant to dispose of the bail application by this court is hesitant to litigate. They are hesitant to discuss the merits of this court as this case is ready for trial as charge sheet has been laid against the petitioners. Without bringing the merits of this court on record, at this juncture, this court at this juncture, it appears that the petitioners are not entitled to anticipatory bail. Thereby, the petitioner's prayer for anticipatory bail stands rejected at this stage. So you can file a subsequent anticipatory bail.
Second question.
Now it is rejected, now you can file a subsequent anticipatory bail.
There is no ground, but any ground. But, very good.